a warm welcome to the evening session of War India IT Forum. I would like to begin today's evening by welcoming our guest for the evening. As we go to the, we have senior officials from various government PSUs, and we have to understand, deliberate on how next generation technology is shaping up. I welcome our esteemed guest, Sri Shankar Agarwal, IS Secretary Labour and Employment, Government of India. I also extend our other guests who are going to join us, Mr. Savitur Prasad, Principal Financial Advisor, Indian Army, Rajan Matthew, DG COI, and we have certain international guests from abroad, from Kaspersky and smart IoT companies. Here, we spoke about the morning session, we spoke about the IoT, smart IoT, and ECAP, and also the smart grid meter. The smart grid meter is such a meter which is going to be made in India. There is a meter which connects from the mesh network from water, electricity, gas, which will combine, so there will be no pilferage. So it is a Wi-Fi connection with two-way communication. So that we have unveiled today, and the kiosk is outside, and it is going to be made in India. It's a foreign company, they're coming, there's a huge requirement in the country. They're going to manufacture in the country. Currently, they're sitting with the power minister right now. We're also thankful to the power corporate oncos who have traveled from various parts of the country to understand the vision of experts and to interact with each other. I extend my heartiest gratitude to the CIOs, CISO community that form part of this important session. Talking about today's event, new technology has both enabled and revealed a deep desire to work collaboratively. Business should be aware of the dangers with which information can be captured. It is the fact that communication is the spine of digital infrastructure. That is, there is expected to be lots of investment around various applications of digital infrastructure like smart cities, smart healthcare, smart retail, and intelligent transport. The government has to play a significant role in developing and regulating guidelines for the sector. The fast growing technology sector in India, which is a technology segment, from being merely technical adapter to importer, is now becoming creator of technology, enable disruptive solutions. Digital India is one of the most exciting initiatives in the country that uses technology as a great leveler for the citizens of India. Our Honorable Prime Minister's vision to make in India a digitally literate country can leverage technology for endless possibility and has already made it clear that broadband highways are as important as national highways. Today, government leaders understand that while the end goal is to offer better services, foster innovation, and generate more jobs, the critical enabler is going to be the technology, and the foundation to a digital nation will be laying a Pan-India network. So talking about today's session, the Digital India and Make in India or Made in India program also focuses on achieving the government's target of net zero import by giving priority for electronics manufacturing capabilities and transferring the nation into a manufacturing hub. The future will not be just about the connected devices. Going forward, customers will no longer be happy with a product just working, but rather how it is working best based on the customer experience zone. In fact, we need to think of customer experience zone, which is the talking point among the CIO, CTO, and CISO. It is really an important discussion point. With the social media active, there can be huge impact on the business. 30 years of same old working style is going to change. There will be three exponential technologies that are going to evolve, and they are artificial intelligence, voice interfaces, and biometrics. E-commerce sector in India is expected to see revenue of USD 120 billion by 2020, from USD 30 billion at the end of last fiscal. The increase would be mainly on the back of young demographic profile, rising internet penetration, and relatively better economic performance. With all good things happening, I expect everyone present here to have a very good networking with each other, and hoping everyone will agree on the present slogan, which is going around the country, Do Saal, Be Misal. Thank you.